Keeping you cozy from head to knees, the Patagonia Women's Down With It Parka will be a warm treat when you venture out into a sub-freezing day. A recycled polyester shell is treated with a DWR finish to help repel snowflakes, while the ultralight 600 fill down insulation wraps you in luxurious warmth. The sides of this jacket are quilted with narrow baffles to give it a sleek silhouette. It has a two-way zipper with a wind flap at the front that keeps it closed for better heat retention or unzips at the bottom to fit more comfortably when you're sitting or walking. The hood is fully insulated and adjustable, and it zips off when not in use. Two on-seam hand pockets have zippers to keep small items secure, and an interior zippered chest pocket is sized for a wallet, phone, or MP3 player. From a winter stroll through Boston to an après-ski walk from your condo to the restaurant, the Patagonia Down With It Parka is equal parts toasty warm and tasty style.